Rhys is actually really lucky because after I tear him a new one tonight, his boyfriend will have a fresh hole to fuck him in. Rather than the stretched out rubber band he calls his asshole.
Thank you, Dobby the house elf. Let's start with the hair. Felicity, it's called a comb, you frizzy bitch. You look like a birthing video from the 1970s. Just a strained-looking face crowning through a thicket of matted pubic hair. As my father once said to my mother while pointing at me, please, I will pay for that to get chemically straightened.
Thank you so much. Rhys is a gay, red-headed bulimic with an anxiety disorder and a lisp, and he couldn't even get into art college. I mean, imagine being too fucking dumb to get into art college. Even Hitler got into art college.
Felicity does have IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, which means even her organs are irritated by her. Basically means irritable bowel syndrome means that she shits a lot. She does a lot of shits. In fact, her asshole is the second most overused asshole in show business. Of course, the most overused asshole in show business is Jimmy Carr. But
Rhys has so many interests. He makes his own brooches and phone cases. He smokes weed. He's given himself the nickname Mama Show Business. I mean, wouldn't it just be quicker to tell people you're a